So I just got done doing like a general checkup and maintenance on all my saws. Pretty sure both the 362 and 461 are broken in now, so I'm gonna go ahead and gut the mufflers a little bit. Lord, yeah, that's no bueno. These aren't supposed to smoke, are they? Let's set this aside for a minute. This one cross-threaded or something? Oh, geez, yeah, it is. Fuck. And that would have been me that did it. Fuck. Pretty sure I've taken this muffler off before. I'll have to double check, but those don't look bad. That was the same way. Jeez. And now that I think about it, I don't think I've taken these off before. Wonder if that's just like the factory Loctite or something. This is looking good. Note the lack of carbon buildup. Really liking that Amsoil Saber. Loaded those up since they did. It's looking good. Oh, there's restriction. This one don't really have that big baffle or anything in there. And that's all I'm going to do to this thing. I think that'll be enough. Looked at me crossways. Good. The calibration on the 362 in the manual is a little bit different than other M-Tronics that I've worked with. For this one in the manual, it says to put it in the start position, run it for 30 seconds, and then run it wide open for 30 seconds. And being that I just opened up the muffler, I'm a little leery of running it wide open without a load for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to see where it's at after it warms up, make a few cuts like other saws, 5 cuts is roughly what it says, and then see where it's at after that. And then, if needed, I'll do that calibration process. It's like 14.3. at 14.4, 14.5. I'm still not going to do that calibration process though. Just going to run it as is. And high on this thing is 14, so it's a little over its spec, but oh well. High on the manual for this guy is 13.5. I opened the high side up a half turn to richen it up, make a couple cuts and see where she's at and adjust as needed. Turns out that's one turnout. Like 13.7. Pretty happy with that. I could probably lean it out a little more, but to be safe, I'll leave it a little rich. Probably should have set up a better cutting apparatus, huh?